Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Peugeot Boxer. First of all, switch on, go to Bluetooth, then we're watching out at the bottom here. Over to the system, you'll see a picture of a cog or a gear or something. That's the settings button. So we click on the settings and you'll see there display voice commands, clock, door locks, and a downward arrow, so you can either do that or turn it up and down like so. I prefer to do it with a button for some reason, but it's also touchscreen, so you can either click it or select like so. Phone and Bluetooth, there's no paired phones at the moment, so we want add device. Start pairing procedure on phone or Bluetooth device. Vehicle device name, my car, pin 8959. My car, click on my car. It's now generated. If you do it from the phone to the vehicle, you have to put the PIN number in. If you do it the other way, it generates a random PIN code. So 37582, yes, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, that's it. When that comes up, it's pretty much paired. Pairing successful, make this your favourite, go on, yeah, we'll make it our favourite. So that's it. Let's see, my car connected. There you go, that's it done. Do you want to download your phone book and recent calls? Well, no, I don't. So that's it, various phones showing. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Peugeot Boxer. So first thing we do is you go to music. I'll just take that down. You go to music, select the track. So there's the track. If you look at the bottom, click on there, it's showing my car. That's this system. There's a tick next to it. That's telling you any music, any audio that you play from your mobile, as long as you've got this set up okay, it will come through the speakers in the system. So we'll click on play, it's playing. I'm going to turn it up. We go over to the system now. You've got media here. Click on media, and that's gone straight onto Bluetooth. So if I turn that up, there's Susie playing. Now, if it doesn't come on straight away, what you need to do, I'll just show you again. So we'll just click that back. Right. If you had anything else plugged in, or in auxiliary or so on, it would show up, but there's nothing. So this will come onto Bluetooth straight away. Otherwise, you go to source, one of these other boxes would be selected, and then you just click Bluetooth, and that's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Peugeot Boxer. Really, really easy. The settings button here is a picture of a cog, a gear, whatever you see. You click on that, then scroll down the other way to phone and Bluetooth, select that, and you'll see Barry's iPhone there. Now what I need to do, if I click on that, it brings up another menu, disconnect or delete device. Delete device. Delete Barry's iPhone from the phone and audio list, yes. It's gone, that's it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.